In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious oven-baked, easy dinner recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 8 tortillas, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese, 3 cups of pulled pork, 1 cup of tomatoes diced, 1 cup of peppers diced. Spray a baking pan with cooking oil. Place 6 tortillas on the bottom, overlapping each other and also overlapping the sides of the pan. Add in the mozzarella cheese. Now add in the pulled pork. Add in the diced tomatoes. And the diced peppers. Finally, top with the Colby Jack cheese. Fold in the sides of all of the tortillas. Add 1 tortilla on top. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to remove from the baking pan. Our oven-baked dinner recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.